Alright guys, we're back with day 4 of the F-150. What we're gonna start doing today is we're gonna start doing all the spots we couldn't get with the grinder, and also we're gonna be fixing this dent.
Also guys, we're gonna start doing the fenders, flares.
The fender flares that are over there, I don't know if you can see them, but they're over there. We're gonna start doing those too. And once we're done, we're gonna start taping and papering up so we can get ready to shoot the Raptor.
Alright guys.
Alright guys, so we're already done with all the body work of the F-150. Now all we're gonna do is we're just gonna pick up our tools, move the truck, sweep up just away, and then we're gonna start taping up, papering the vehicle so we can spray on the black Raptor. Alright guys?
Here's a little time lapse.
Alright guys, so we're done cleaning up our area and just everything on the bodywork for the F-150. We're done, so that's it for day 4. Tomorrow we're gonna come back in the morning and we're gonna start taping and papering up so we can shoot on the Raptor already. Alright guys, so just stay tuned and like and subscribe.